In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on lock screen. Following that, tap on screen lock type and select the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to create it and choose continue at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and tap on confirm. Then you can switch on or off lock screen notifications by tapping on this switcher here and also manage them thanks to those two options. When you're ready, click on done. Then, in order to back up your pattern, choose continue and log in to your Samsung account. I will go with cancel though. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!